Elon Musk just hired the best lawyers and attorneys to fight back his haters. Elon Musk has made a public statement through Twitter suggesting that his electric car company will have more lawyers and attorneys to fight back legal cases. So does this mean Musk is in some form of trouble, or is he doing this for Tesla? Here is what happened. Elon Musk has stated that Tesla is building a hardcore litigation department where we directly initiate and execute lawsuits. The team will report directly to me. Musk went on to say that the team would commit to two things: never seeking victory in a fair case against the company, even if we are likely to win, or even if we're likely to lose, we will never yield or settle an unfair lawsuit against us. If you are familiar with Elon Musk, you probably already know that he has a lot of things going on in his life right now. Even though he hasn't stated for sure who is suing who in detail, it's not difficult to analyze it from the sidelines. As a matter of fact, he is a firm believer in what he wants for his company. This pretty much corresponds with Musk's past remarks on his and Tesla's lawsuit policy. Tesla's policy is never to give in to false claims, even if Tesla would lose, and never to fight valid claims, even if Tesla would win. He put that principle to the test during the Solar City purchase litigation. Except for Musk, every other defendant who comprised Tesla's board settled after investors sued them over alleged mismanagement of Tesla's Solar City claim. Amazingly, the lawsuit proceeded to trial last year, and Musk won the case. Although it appears that Musk is referring to Tesla's legal department in this case, undoubtedly, Tesla already has an extensive legal department, including litigation attorneys. Still, in more significant instances, it also collaborates with independent companies. As we stated, the firm and its CEO are constantly engaged in various legal disputes. Still, it has recently been involved in some more high-profile cases, including a lawsuit alleging racial discrimination that resulted in a $137 million judgment that was eventually reduced to $15 million. While Tesla receives a lot of attention when it gets a lawsuit, the company has also been known to file some, especially in situations of intellectual property theft. However, the timing of the release is odd, given that it comes a day after an accusation of sexual misconduct against Musk was made public, with a reported settlement between the claimed victim. Musk has publicly rejected the allegation of sexual assault laid by a SpaceX flight attendant who worked on his private jet in 2016. According to the Business Insider reports, SpaceX debunked the issue by giving the lady $250,000 in severance pay in 2018 for her agreement not to sue over her allegations. The claim was based on an account provided by the flight attendant's acquaintance, who said she had been informed about the event immediately after it had occurred. The flight attendant was also asked to sign a non-disclosure agreement that forbids her from discussing the money or anything else related to Musk and SpaceX. SpaceX did not answer requests for comment on this claim. We all know Musk will find it difficult to be quiet about this. As expected, he responded to the claim on the social media network, saying, "And for the record, those outlandish charges are completely false." Musk blames it on political mishaps. In one of his recent tweets, he wrote, "The attack against me should be viewed through a political lens. This is their standard, despicable playbook, but nothing will dissuade me from fighting for a good future and your right to free speech." This suggests that the lawsuit could be pointing at some well-known politicians, and here is why. On Twitter, Musk also chastised President Joe Biden's administration and Democrats. After announcing his support for the Grand Old Party candidates, he insinuated the Democrats would launch a smear campaign against him. On the sexual assault case, he said, "In my 30-year career, throughout the whole Me Too period, there is nothing to report. But as soon as I declare I aim to restore free speech to Twitter and vote Republican, suddenly there is," he said to another. He also poked fun at the claim, repeating a tweet from 2021. He suggested that if there was ever a controversy involving him, it should be termed Elongate. At long last, we get to utilize Elongate as a scandal name. It is almost perfect, he tweeted later on. It is hilarious, but it seems this is not one lawsuit that can be swept under the carpet. What is strange about the Business Insider report, you may ask? Well, Elon Musk tweeted several hours before this revelation that he had previously voted for Democrats but would now vote for Republicans, knowing that they would start up a dirty tricks campaign against him. This will not be the first of such in SpaceX, as the firm has previously been accused of sexually harassing female employees. Following the public disclosure of the allegations, SpaceX's president and chief operating officer, Gwynne Shotwell, emailed employees to emphasize the importance of timely reporting of harassment and discrimination complaints and promising a thorough investigation of all such matters. Around the alleged sexual misconduct period, Musk stated Tesla's intention to create solar roofs. Tesla finalized its acquisition of SolarCity, a firm established by Musk's relatives, a month later. That sale sparked a $2 billion lawsuit from Tesla's shareholders, which Musk won in April. Musk appears to be cross with Business Insiders updating the public about this news. He expressed his hate via tweet. Their full name is Business Insider Trading. They always forget that last word for some reason. His shade suggests that Business Insider will put out any news for the money. Musk would rather address them as trading platform instead of addressing them as reporters. For this, he was applauded by users like Pranay Padhol, who responded by saying, "I appreciate and admire Elon Musk for always speaking his mind out. He doesn't hold himself back and freely expresses his opinions and concerns. He isn't afraid of standing up against something not right and unfair. He is a true entertainer. That's what makes Elon Musk, Elon Musk." Musk could be hiring the best lawyers for himself and his companies to establish a new department to help the company obtain the upper hand in various issues and expand on them for its requirements. Musk initially established a new litigation department online. Now, he's establishing it by recruiting attorneys and others with the necessary qualifications to join its staff. Tesla is searching for hardcore street fighters to join the team. Musk said he doesn't want white shoe attorneys on the team, but rather new talent, new raw talent and fighters. Musk prefers people with extensive expertise in handling and pushing matters from the company's many enterprises and departments. Many litigation and court actions involve Musk as a primary or minor actor, ranging from regulatory squabbles to shareholder squabbles to the scorched earth divorce aftermath of a Hollywood marriage. In all, Musk is no stranger to high-profile defamation lawsuits. In 2019, he successfully defended himself after publicly accusing a British cab driver who had attacked him of being a pedophile. The SEC served Musk with a lawsuit for breaking the settlement agreement after Musk tweeted about possibly selling a big chunk of his Tesla assets without seeking the appropriate clearance. He is also being probed for possible insider trading due to that tweet. Since his brother Kimball Musk sold $108 million in shares the day before he tweeted it, Tesla shares plummeted after the tweet. Musk accused the SEC of a harassment campaign that limited his right to free expression in February and filed a motion to terminate the settlement. According to U.S. District Judge Lewis Lemon, Musk's claim was meritless and especially ironic, who said Musk should have understood he was renouncing his First Amendment rights when he entered into the arrangement. Do you believe Musk will have less lawsuits when he finally gets the best in-house lawyers? Or is this going to be the bedrock to more and more issues? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next videos.